say you know what's going on. Woe to them. We're all in this together now. Need to wonder why and how, but how did we get here? Woe to them. How could you be sitting down? Woe to them. You say you know what's going on. Woe to them. We're all in this together now. Need to wonder why and how, but how did we get here?
See, washed brains remain in chains. The chatted teeth afraid of change, and the data sheets can't explain the shattered streets. The pain, it's at its peak. The rain, it's on its way to pour upon the poor. The war will wanna stay indoor. Observe, absorb the words that emerge from the lips of George. The planets engorge the nerve gas. They'll gas your head. The masses are fed with a security complex and a disastrous dread. As Congress plans to conquer lands, to conjure its natural resources and all its contraband. It's propaganda, whack the door, fuck all his name. Filtered footage film from a CIA camera. Analyze the hope, so hope is up in smoke. You're all corrupt for what? It's a fucking joke.
Whoa, whoa to them.
We must chat before they come with guns and give us an implant in this digital age. We're weighed like criminals, caged, engraved like slaves, and paid a minimum wage. Plagues were created and made like AIDS. The neighborhoods were invaded and they blamed it on AIDS. Their intentions to intimidate can penetrate your well-being. Being human beings will disintegrate into a state of nothingness while sufferers still know no end. We break it bread, they got the last supper. We'll sing it.